I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, the easiest place to shop and get all of your needs met with Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. You can head over here. They've got gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Steam, Uber, Instacart, Airbnb, Apple. The list goes on, but they have you covered. You can be living on a Bitcoin standard like me, and BitRefill has been a godsend. So head to bitrefill.com and use code BTC Sessions at checkout for discounts.
We have this opportunity to have a base layer that has a level of trust that we haven't seen before in money, and that's Bitcoin. But we then build on in a layered approach. Others have felt that we could build with one layer and have everything on that layer. No other complex system built by man has ever taken that approach and succeeded. So we're following the approach that's worked for eons. Each one has different trade-offs, but once these basic primitives are there, so we have this core money, we have mechanisms to send that value around quickly and inexpensively, we have mechanisms to add on privacy and extensibility. Once we have these base elements, you can then start seeing the emergence of applications that use all of those elements but provide this cohesive, simplified experience without the user having to be aware of what is being used at which time. So, for example, we are producing an app called Fedi, but we expect there to be many more like this over the coming years, where when you perform a transaction, you will not need to know that it's a Lightning transaction or it's happening within a Fedi mint or otherwise. You won't need to know that you're getting near perfect privacy. And if there are additional features and functionalities that you gain from Lightning or from RGB or Taro or Liquid, or you're gaining from within the Fedimint ecosystem itself, because it can be extended as well, you will just use them and it will be transparent to you. That's the future, that's true decentralized application future that we've been looking and being promised, but it's actually going to come in the right way based on correct foundations.